you walk in, here's a little let's start off with the wall. Back in the day, this was like a good like 5 years ago, I just saw these rooms on Pinterest and I saw they had like white walls and like one colored wall, and I really wanted a light blue, just like a nice light blue. Does this look like blue to you? It's freaking green. I'll admit I wasn't there with my dad when he chose out the paint, so I couldn't blame him for it, but it's freaking green. That's the first problem with this. You come in, this is my bed, just have white, a random pillow, a random bear, there's just squash there. I have this nice little rug. I have this, there's literally hearts on that because I've had it forever. I've got books, I'll probably keep this. There's my closet, my mirrors. My desk is kind of creepy. I honestly don't really like it. I literally have like my promposal sign on there, just a bunch of like grad stuff, like just so much stuff that I don't need. Literally same with the hearts. I'm turning 18 here, so I don't really need that right now. This, other than the fact that it's like really cluttered, but is the only thing I actually really like in my room. I get ready here, do my makeup here. This is from IKEA. And then I have this. Honestly, these are all my trophies from gymnastics and like stuff from cheer. It's gonna be sad to take them down, but I feel like this is just not the vibe of the room I'm going for anymore. So yes, that is the room as of right now. I think the next step we got going on is a desk, a chair, pillows, blankets, all that stuff. Looking at shelves right now, I don't know, like I kind of wanted something smaller, but I guess this is just for picture frames and I can actually put stuff on top of this one, so I'm kind of vibing with this. Couldn't find the pots I wanted. There's just this one, but I think I want a smaller one, but I can't find one yet, so it's also so busy, like it's insane. We just finished, we got everything, like all the decorations and stuff. Now we're just looking through the actual like big furniture. So pretty much, I'm trying to get my desk right now, and it's called the Alex desk, and it's here. But it's just me and my mom, and it's so freaking heavy, so I don't actually know how we're gonna get it onto our pushy thing. I don't know what it's called. Okay guys, we have everything we need. We're gonna go pay, and I'm hungry, so maybe we'll get a hot dog. We just paid for everything. We are now gonna go maybe to Home Sense, which is like another like home decor store. Just came back from the store. Come into my room and this is what I see. Excuse me, what? So I guess my dad got a hold of my room. He started the revamping without me. Everything is shoved to the middle. I guess he's getting ready to paint. All of these things have been taken out. These are for my mirrors. Since I started recording this video, it has been like a week or two. This is the final process of the room. I am very happy with how it turned out. There's still a few things that I would love to do to my room, like get new blinds, get a new lamp, or like light, or like fan. But like if I keep waiting for them to be fully done, this video will never go up. So without further ado, here's the finished room. So let's just start out by giving a little overview. The whole theme of this room is like pink, white, it's kind of beigey walls here, kind of a little different from the white walls that I had before. So my bed is new. It has drawers on the bottom, and didn't get rid of the bear. He was cute, so I kind of had to keep him. I've got a cute little throw blanket. By the way, everything that I bought is pretty much from IKEA. I got this pillow at HomeSense, and then IKEA, those two. And then we have 2 picture frames. These pictures are really weird, but I have this lamp, and it's got a purple light. I honestly wanted the strips of light like along my ceiling, but like this is what I got right now, so it's what we're gonna work with. And I can actually change the colors. I just like always keep it purple. Then I have this cute little clock. That's also from IKEA. I have this picture of my friends for our graduation. And then in here I just have pajamas, and then I have like underwear and like all that stuff. And then unfortunately I can't use this because of this, but honestly we're just gonna have to take one for the team because I kind of want that beside it. But down here we've got some socks, just I don't know where else to put them, so they're going in here, and I have a backpack. And then moving along here, I guess I'll just show my closet. This is what it looks like now. I'm pretty sure I didn't show what it looked like before, but I had so much like mess up there, and then I got these 3 boxes, and then I just organized it a little bit better. I also got all white hangers and kind of coordinated things better. We've got my mirrors, still good. And we've got my cute little desk area. This is probably my favorite part of the room. Up here, we've got a picture of me and Elena. We've got a picture of my boyfriend, looking cute. And I've got a candle that says girl gang because my friends used to call each other that. I have this hanging plant. All these plants are fake, and I really like the way this looks, but it's kind of awkward because I didn't realize this would be here, so it's like awkwardly hanging. And if that was a real plant, it'd probably die. Then we have this little board on my desk. I have another picture of me and my friend, a candle, pens, and like some other flower, and there's me. Kind of creepy that I have a picture of myself, but I just put random pictures. Then I've got my computer on here. Then I bought this chair. It's just like gray. And then we have the mirror. I just have a few necklaces on here, my rings, earrings. Got these 2 for Valentine's Day, so cute. And here I have makeup brushes, and I just have like what I wear for everyday makeup. And then in here I have like lip products. I have a little basket with beauty blenders, some makeup palettes, scrunchies, and hair brushes, and then I just have a bunch of like bottle products. And here I bought this from IKEA, which I think is really helpful. Hair tools, hairspray, and wire stuff. I have some books in here. And then I have 2 more pictures up here. I just filmed the whole room tour and forgot to mention that I had a rug. Because I swept the floor that I like took the rug off of the ground. But pretend this rug was here the entire time, because honestly it's a cutie and it's a keeper. Yeah! And that pretty much wraps up the room. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.